Hey Ford, Escape owners having trouble with your power steering? Let's fix that. First off, check your power steering fluid. Low fluid levels can cause steering issues. Simply top it up and see if that resolves it. Still no luck? Next, look at the power steering pump. If it's making noise or feels stiff, it might be time for a replacement. Another common culprit is the electric power steering system. For newer models, a faulty sensor or motor can be the issue. Try resetting the system by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. Still not working? It could be a software glitch. A dealership can update the software, which sometimes solves the problem. Lastly, inspect the steering column and rack for any obvious damage or wear. If you spot anything unusual, it's best to get it checked by a professional. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues. Keep your fluid levels in check and don't ignore any warning signs. Got more questions about your Ford Escape? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips and tricks.